I check out the following two graphs for a case study for an electrical contractor who had been using Google local service ads, direct with Google. His LSA, local service ads, started good but then dropping off and becoming inconsistent. We took over in April and the lead started to grow again with our advanced knowledge of how LSAs work, as you can see from the graph above. Not only do we have advanced knowledge of how LSAs work, we also offer a service no other provider does. We have a system that listens to all the calls that come through the LSAs from Google, and if the call is not a lead in our opinion, we dispute it with Google on the customer's behalf. As you can see, not only had the calls increased when using us for the LSAs, so has the amount of disputed calls, thus getting a refund on the Google spending. The graph shows a great picture for our business on how we manage these vital ads, and this was in an electrical contractor niche. It could also work in any other niche that Google offer LSAs in. Be it roofing contractor, home services, plumbing and heating, HVAC, etc. So if you have used Google LSAs before and had similar problems with inconsistency and quality of leads, then we are your best partner to work with. We have expert knowledge of Google as we are high-level Google partners with a great understanding of how ads work within Google and special talent when it comes to Google local service ads. Are you want to book a call? Visit our relevant webpage for this service. See above for more details.